How to fix audio problem in laptop. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. Hello, world. This article will explore how to fix audio problem in laptop with troubleshooting tips. If you have an issue with these topics like laptop audio troubleshooting, audio not working on laptop, laptop sound issues, laptop audio drivers issues, or laptop audio hardware issues, then follow the instructions and fix your audio problem. Audio problems in laptops are a common issue that many users face. These issues can range from no sound at all to distorted sound, low volume, or even the absence of a particular audio device altogether. Many audio problems in laptops are easy to fix, and you can usually solve them with a few simple steps. In this article, we will explore the most common audio problems in laptops and how to fix them. How to fix audio problem in laptop. Follow the steps to fix your audio problem. Check the volume and mute settings. The first and most basic step in troubleshooting audio problems in your laptop is to check the volume and mute settings. Sometimes, the sound is just turned down or muted, and that's why you can't hear anything. To check this, click on the speaker icon in your system tray, and make sure that the volume is turned up and the mute button is not checked. Check the audio output device. If you've confirmed that the volume and mute settings are not the issues, the next thing to check is the audio output device. Sometimes, the wrong output device can be selected, which will prevent sound from coming out of the correct speakers or headphones. To check this, right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray and select Playback Devices. Make sure that the correct device is selected as the default playback device. If it's not, right-click on the correct device and select Set as Default Device. Update your audio drivers. Outdated or corrupt audio drivers can also cause audio problems in your laptop. To check for updates, go to your laptop manufacturer's website and look for the latest audio drivers for your laptop model. If you find an updated driver, download and install it on your laptop. Run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Windows has an inbuilt audio troubleshooter that can help you fix common audio problems. To access this, right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray and select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the troubleshooting process. If any issues are found, the troubleshooter will attempt to fix them automatically. Check for hardware problems. If none of the above steps have solved the audio problem on your laptop, it's possible that there is a hardware problem. This can be caused by a faulty speaker, headphone jack, or sound card. To diagnose this issue, try connecting an external speaker or headphones to your laptop and see if you can hear audio from them. If you can, the issue is likely with your laptop's built-in audio hardware, and you should contact your laptop manufacturer for repairs. In conclusion, audio problems in laptops can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you can easily fix them. Start by checking the volume and mute settings, then move on to checking the audio output device, updating your audio drivers, running the Windows Audio Troubleshooter, and checking for hardware problems. By following these steps, you can quickly troubleshoot and fix any audio problems in your laptop. Laptop Audio Troubleshooting FAQ. Here are top 15 short question and answer to troubleshoot your audio problem easily. 1. Question: why isn't there any sound coming from my laptop? Answer: check your laptop's audio settings and make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. You may also need to update your audio drivers. 2. Question: how do I update my laptop's audio drivers? Answer: go to your laptop manufacturer's website and search for the latest audio drivers for your model. Download and install them on your laptop. 3. Question: my laptop speakers produce distorted sound. What should I do? Answer: This may be caused by outdated or faulty audio drivers. Update your audio drivers or try using external speakers or headphones. 4. Question. My laptop's audio is playing but it's too low. What can I do to fix it? Answer. Try increasing the volume from the audio settings of your laptop. Alternatively, you can connect external speakers or headphones. 5. Question. Why is there no audio from my headphones on my laptop? Answer. Check if your headphones are properly plugged in or if they are defective. Try connecting another pair of headphones to see if the issue persists. 6. Question. How can I test if my laptop's audio is working? Answer. You can test your laptop's audio by playing a sound or music file. If there's no audio, try troubleshooting the issue. 7. Question. Can malware or viruses cause issues with my laptop's audio? Answer. Yes. Malware or viruses can interfere with your laptop's audio. Scan your laptop for any potential threats. 8. Question. What should I do if my laptop's audio suddenly stops working? Answer. Check if your laptop's audio settings are properly configured, and try restarting your laptop. If the issue persists, update your audio drivers. 9. Question. Can a Windows update affect my laptop's audio? Answer. Yes. Windows updates can sometimes cause issues with your laptop's audio. Try rolling back the update or updating your audio drivers. 10. Question. Why do I hear crackling or popping sounds from my laptop's speakers? Answer. This may be caused by outdated or faulty audio drivers. Update your audio drivers or try using external speakers or headphones. 11. Question. My laptop's microphone isn't working. How can I fix it? Answer. Check if the microphone is enabled and properly connected. You can also try updating your audio drivers. 12. Question. Can hardware problems affect my laptop's audio? Answer. Yes. Hardware problems such as a damaged speaker or faulty audio jack can cause issues with your laptop's audio. 13. Question. How can I fix audio delay or latency on my laptop? Answer. Adjust the audio settings on your laptop to reduce latency. You can also try using an external sound card. 14. Question. Why do I hear echoes or feedback when using my laptop's microphone? Answer. This may be caused by incorrect microphone placement or outdated audio drivers. Adjust your microphone settings or update your drivers. 15. Question. Is it possible to replace my laptop's built-in speakers? Answer. Yes, you can replace your laptop's built-in speakers, but it's recommended to have a professional do it for you to avoid damaging other components. Thank you for reading. Stay tuned with Fixing Geek and comment below if you have any questions in your mind. We are happy to help you. Don't forget to share it with others. If you have any tips and suggestions, please let me know, and I'd be happy